Hello friends, welcome to BTech Academy, and here in this section we are going to discuss a new topic called pair of straight lines. So as you are already familiar with straight lines, let us consider two straight lines such as 3x minus 2y is equal to 0 and 2x plus 5y is equal to 0. And now let us name this equation as 1 and here as 2. And then by performing multiplication, that is equation 1 into equation 2, so here we get 3x minus 2y into 2x plus 5y is equal to 0. And then by multiplying the first term with whole group, we get 3x into 2x, which will be 6x square. Then here we get 3x into 5y, which will be 15xy, then minus of 4xy, and then we get minus 10y square is equal to 0. And now let us subtract the similar terms. So that implies we get here 6x square plus 11xy minus 10y square is equal to 0. And now let us name this as equation 3. So equation 3 is nothing but the equation which represents pair of straight lines, that is equation 1 and equation 2. And now let me give you the exact definition for pair of straight lines, that is if variables like a, b, h are real numbers, then the equation h is equivalent to ax square plus 2hxy plus by square is equal to 0 is called the homogeneous equation of second degree in x and y. And now let us discuss a non-homogeneous equation which will be in the form of s equivalent to ax square plus 2hxy plus by square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c is equal to 0. So this equation is called the general equation of second degree in x and y. And remember that it is a non-homogeneous equation. And make a note of the following point, that is if h equal to 0, that is nothing but this equation represents a pair of straight lines and b is not equal to 0, then these lines are non-vertical, and if m1 and m2 are the slopes of these lines, then we can write the equation ax square plus 2hxy plus by square is equal to 0 in the form of by square minus b into m1 plus m2 into xy plus b into m1 m2 into x square. And then comparing the terms on both the sides of this equation as well as this equation, we get the value of a, that is nothing but the coefficient of y square. We get the value of 2h, that is coefficient of xy, will be equal to minus b into m1 plus m2. And then by comparing the coefficient of x square, which is a, is equal to, here this is the coefficient, so we get b into m1 into m2. So from both these values we get the sum of slopes as minus 2h by b, and the product of slopes will be equal to a by b. So the sum of the slopes of pair of straight lines is given by the formula m1 plus m2 is equal to minus 2h by b, whereas the product which is represented by m1 into m2 will be equal to a by b. And similarly, if this equation represents a pair of straight lines, then the angle theta between these lines is given by cos theta is equal to mod a plus b divided by under root a minus b whole square plus 4h square. And we can also represent the angle in terms of tan theta, and its formula will be equal to 2 into under root h square minus ab divided by mod a plus b. And then the formula for sin theta will be equal to 2 into under root h square minus ab divided by under root a minus b whole square plus 4h square. And remember all these formulas, as these formulas are important in solving examples in upcoming videos. So stay tuned. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day.